first step for our Express 4M2 Ultra drive install is to remove the 4 screws on the back of the unit. Simple Phillips head screwdriver. Take all 4 screws out and keep track of all 4 screws. Now remove the back plate. Now remove the side panels like so. Set those aside. We won't need them until later. Now that your side panels are off, you are now ready to install your drives. First thing we're going to do is remove the 2 screws. Now that the screws are removed, we're going to install 2 drives on one side of the unit. Note the notch on the drive. Match it to the notch on the connector. You're going to insert the SSD straight and parallel. Push in until you hear a click. Secure the drive with a screw. Repeat for the other SSD. Turn the unit over and repeat for the other side. Now let's talk about performance. To unlock the full speed of this system, you're going to want to use all 4 drive slots. Each drive gets its own PCIe Gen 4 lane, for a total of 4 lanes working in parallel. If you want maximum performance, go with Gen 4 or Gen 5 NVMe drives. Gen 3 is supported, but you won't hit the full potential of the unit. Now that your drives are installed on both sides, you can put the side plates on, find the notch on the side plate, and match it to the notch on the unit. The side plates can only go on one way. Repeat for the other side, notch to notch. Line up your back plate. You may need to click it into place. Once all is aligned, replace the screws and tighten down. Finally, placement. Keep the unit vertical, use these non-slip feet, and give it space to breathe. This thing is built for performance, so it performs best when everything is dialed in. And then there's how you configure it. Run RAID 0 for maximum speed, RAID 5 or RAID 10 for a balance of speed and protection, or you can go JBOD if you just want independent drives.